Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce my recently developed new Shopify section that is working everywhere in any theme, and it's called LogoFlow for trust ways. This is one of the most important features for any Shopify store, even any e-commerce website, and that's why I developed this section and it's ready for any Shopify user. So first of all, I want to show you the result, then the option or feature, then I will share the details, everything about it. So you can see here is the result. I'm going to reload. Right now I'm making a sport equipment Shopify online store using free theme and custom code plus AI, and I add this feature or build this feature specifically for this project and also make it unique to share all of the Shopify user. So I have added this feature. You see here is the option. Okay, and if I hover, yes, this is another premium advanced test. Though I don't resize these images, you have to use same size image. So then go back, and in the LogoFlow carousel, here have another option. Let me show you that is grid. You can add logo as grid, but it looks good as carousel. Also, I have added marquee infinity scroll, save it and reload. Wow, you see. Okay, then go back again in the carousel, and in previous you see it has the arrow icon. We don't want arrow icon in here because it's the partner or brand that we work and that actually work with this business. I hope you understand. So we want to remove the arrow. So where is the option? You see show navigation arrow. Just looks in here, hide it. Yes, it has been hide. Then if I click reload, you see the arrow has been hide. Okay, it's automatically slide. Yeah, then if I want, I can change the remove the hide dot. You see, yes, perfect. Okay, then also there have a lots of option. Let me show you. If you want to change hover animation, for example, right now it's scale, so I'm going to reload and show you again. If I hover, it's little bit jump up, that's called scale hover. We can change this hover effect like fade or rotate. Let me show you with rotate, then you can understand better way. And now reload, you see. Yes, so there have 1 2 3 4 5 hover animation effect. Also you can select it as none. Then here's the cart style, cart border radius, cart padding, cart border width. If you want to, you can add cart border in here like 1. Then you see we have added the cart border. So keep it 0 because we have to use the same size image. Then border color, cart shadow, we can add cart shadow on here. Then carousel settings, autoplay, we can stop it, slide interval, loop infinity, show navigation arrow, show dot, grid column on mobile, grid column on tablet, column on desktop. Everything is controllable or customizable from here. And here is the marquee settings, you can see. And here is the all color settings, spacing settings, divider, and accessibility and SEO. It's fully SEO friendly. Also RTL support. and here is the advanced option. You can add custom CSS class in here, also the CSS. So here is the P chart or option that actually you are going to get by using this P chart or ready code snippet or section for your Shopify store. Okay, so now we're going to learn details about this P chart, then we'll learn how you can get it. Okay, so right now I'm going to share the details about this ready code snippet that you will get for $19 with free installation. First of all, you can see that here is the details actually what you get for $19. Here is the grid layout, clean responsive logo grid, carousel layout, smooth auto advancing with arrow and dot, marquee layout, grayscale color hover with 5 animation style, 50 plus customization settings, spacing, shadow, arrow, breakpoint, all from theme customizer. That's mean you don't require any single code to write or learn. And then mobile first. Of course, I as a SEO expert, I always focus on mobile first and keep everything SEO friendly. Otherwise, any section, any picture directly cannot help you to boost your sales or rank your store on organically on the search result to bring traffic organically on your store. Then I also add RTL support for Arabic or Hebrew ready, SEO optimized, JSON, LT schema, lazy loading and semantic HTML included. Performance 99% plus. That's mean it will not increase your site speed loading time. Actually, it's fully SEO friendly and Google recommendation followed. Free installation service. I will set up it for you. No hassle, no hidden cost. Just you have to purchase it. Okay. Lifetime update, new feature, bug fixed, improvement included. 30-day money back guarantee, risk-free purchase. That's mean if you don't see the full result how I showed in here or actually how I shared it in here, then you will get money back within 30 days. And here is the benefit that is most important things for you. Actually, what is the benefit of this LogoFlow? First of all, boost conversion instantly, social proof, build trust and increase sales. This is one of the compulsory element for any Shopify online store, especially if you have built your new Shopify store or you are not getting sales, then you must have to add social proof that build trust. Premium design quality, hover animation make your store look professional, especially grayscale on hover. Let me show you again. I'm saying about this effect. You see? Yes. Okay. Then lighting fast performance, keep SEO ranking strong, mobile first experience, smooth across all device, global ready, RTL support for international market. That's mean any Shopify store owner from any location can use this ready featured. 50 plus customization settings, no single coding required, huge saving. One time 19 versus 180 or 240 years app. As you are going to use this ready code snippet, then you don't have to purchase any app or pay monthly basis and almost yearly 200 plus. So that is huge saving. Also, you are going to get the free installation service, lifetime update, always up to date, risk-free guarantee, 30-day refund promise. So I hope you understand the benefit why you should use this ready code snippet. And here is the importance of LogoFlow. Build trust quickly, professional branding, elevate your store to big brand quality, SEO performance optimized for ranking and speed, client ready, perfect for developer delivering premium store. Also, if you are not only a Shopify store owner, you are a developer, you are just learning Shopify or learning to become a Shopify developer, then you can use this ready feature or code snippet for your next Shopify project. And future proof, work on every Shopify theme with lifetime update. It work any kind of Shopify theme. So how much it save? You see, here is the calculation. Competing app 15 to 20 per month, 180 to 240 per year. LogoFlow special offer, $19 one time with free installation. Actually, I'm working as a $25 per hour, so it's huge save for you. That's our 200 save in the first year alone, plus free installation service worth 50 to 100 if done by any developer. Actually, I work as a Shopify developer, per hour $25. So here is the final things, that is in under 5 minutes you have got a premium logo carousel running on your Shopify store. LogoFlow make your brand looks professional, trustworthy and fast. For just 19 with free installation, you save 100 every year, get lifetime update and wild instant trust. So I hope you understand why you should use this ready code snippet and what is the benefit and what actually it will do for you. So if you want to get it right now, then check out the link in the description and connect with me by WhatsApp. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this ready code snippet is helpful for you, also this video, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel to know more about upcoming featured and product or element for any Shopify store, especially to design, customization and development and for SEO. And if you need any service, you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.